So here in this quick tutorial, I will show you how to schedule posts on TikTok. So for that reason, first of all, open up the TikTok application, and then from here, you need to select the plus icon on the bottom side. And then simply on the right side, you'll see the gallery. So select the gallery, select the video, and go with the next. And once again, go with the next. And then from here you'll probably find more options, so select the more options, and under the advanced settings you will probably see the schedule post option. But if you don't see the schedule post option, here is another method to schedule your post. So for that reason you need a browser, so open up the browser and go with the tiktok.com, and simply on the three dots select the desktop site as well. So after selecting that, you need to go and select the three dots on the left side, and then from here you need to go with the creator tool like here. So select the creator tool and go with the view analytics. Now once again zoom into the left and you will probably find this plus icon. So tap on the plus icon and tap on the select video to upload. Now select the video that you want to upload and go with the done. So it will take some time to load the video, so let me just wait for it. And on the bottom side, as you can see, when to post, you will get the schedule option. So select the schedule option, and now you can schedule the post. Like you can select the date that you want to post in. So I will select the 31st March, and when it is being downloaded, as you can see, it is being uploading. So once the upload is finished, you will probably see the schedule option is available. So as you can see, it is available. So once you have done it, simply go and tap on the schedule, and the post will be scheduled at the specified time. So that's how you can simply schedule post on TikTok. So hope this video helps you out. If yes, please leave a like, and we'll see you next time.